Now D. Raja will speak tomorrow. Sri T.K. Elangovans.
Sir, I was elected as a representative from the state of Tamil Nadu in this house. All along I have been representing the state of Tamil Nadu. Today when I speak on this subject, I feel that I am representing the municipal corporation of Tamil Nadu. Because the states were reduced to the level of municipal corporations where the very important power of a state government is levying taxes has been withdrawn now. Now that they talk of uniformity, uniform tax structure will help. Will help whom? Will help the people of India? No. It will help the people outside India, the investors in India, the people who invest, foreign direct investors in India, and people on other parts of the world, not in India. Sir, when our colleague Mr. Bhupendra was talking about a new India, I didn't think that new India is an unfederal India. I don't know whether that is what Mr. Bhupendra meant or the Honorable Prime Minister meant. It should not be an unfederal India. India is proud of being a diverse cultural, diverse linguistic and diverse religious country. We feel proud of our unity in diversity. That has sustained us for the past 70 years in this world, after post-independence. Now that one major portion is taken away from the states. India is a union of states. One major power is taken away from the states, that is power to levy taxes. There are a few more things, and I'm afraid that if there are any attempts to take them also away, then the new India which we are going to see will be a dangerous India. The diversity, powers to taxation is taken away. If the power to religion, if the power to language, and if the power to culture is also made uniform, then where is India? The India which we can never think of. So, this is the first thing which I want to tell Sarah. I want to impress that the unity in diversity makes this India a unique country all over the world. Everybody looks at us in praise of our diversity and unity, in praise of our culture, in praise of our adjustment with the people of other religions, in praise of the wealth of language which we have. We have 2-3 ancient languages which have 2000 years of history. That is India. So here now that these states have first now forgiven the powers to levy taxes, I don't know what will happen in the future. If the Prime Minister pursues his interest of a new India, then that will lead to a dangerous India. That I want the government, sir. Secondly, I want to go into all these things, sir. Even the Finance Minister 2-3 days back had said that this will not lead to inflation. Sir, history says that it has led to inflation in Singapore. Singapore is a single unit, it is a city, more or less a city. There, this law, GST, has led to inflation. Here, definitely it is going to lead to inflation, that the people have to face it. It is people cannot escape from the inflationary level in the coming years. Sir, since this has come to force, even though we have reasons to oppose this, even though we are against this concept of GST, even though we are against taking away the powers of the state, since we are minority, we have to go by the majority. That is the rule of our democracy. So, even though while opposing this, I have to make certain suggestions, at least which the government could listen to. One is that in certain areas, taxes should not be imposed. That is particularly one particular thing is the potable drinking water, where water is not pure anywhere. The potable drinking water is used by every citizen, be him a poor or a rich citizen. So there should not be tax on potable drinking water and certain items like the bricks, which is used for construction of houses. And there are certain areas, in due course, if the government calls the parties and sit and discuss with them, they can exempt certain things from taxation. Sir, the next is the cess. The earlier day also I had mentioned about cess collected for the sake of workers, particularly mine workers. So that cess which is intended to support the mine workers in cases of accident or death, if withdrawn from the regular taxation, then it is going to affect the workers. So if the government is considering of removing cess except on one or two issues, sir, we have a cess called library cess in Tamil Nadu, where with that cess we purchase books to all our libraries in the state. Likewise, there are cess for a specific purpose, which to help the people who ultimately need that such kind of a support. So those cess which were already available with the state government should not be taken away. If that is to be taken away, the government should have discussions with the various trade unions in this regard and seek their opinion and do away with that. With these words, I have no other go except to support the bill on behalf of the corporation, Municipal Corporation of Tamil Nadu. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Sri Elangovans, thank you.